Division of mixed numbers. Here we go. Let's say I have 3 1/2 divided by 2. Alright, so here I have a whole number, here I have a mixed number. Multiplication, division of fractions. I have to have all numerators, all denominators. I don't. I have a mixed number over here. So I have to change it to a fraction with a numerator and denominator. So if you remember, I multiply this and I add this. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1. 3 1/2 is 7/2. So I have 7/2 divided by 2. Any whole number, remember, we can put over 1. So now I have a problem because it's division. I am never allowed to cancel across the division sign. So in division of fractions, we change this to a times and I invert. I take the reciprocal of which one? The first fraction or the second fraction? The second fraction. So this is a times. I take the reciprocal, I flip the fraction, and I get 1/2. Now, nothing cancels. So we'll just make this look like a regular 1. So I have 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 2 is 4. I get 7/4. If I want to change it to a mixed number, I get 1 3/4. All right, let's do another one. 2 3/16 divided by 1 2/3. I need all numerators, all denominators. So I multiply this and add this. 2 times 16 is 32 plus 3. I get 35 of these 16ths. Divided by 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2 is 5/3. But I got to remember a division of fractions. I change it to a times and take the reciprocal of the fraction on the right. Again, an easy way to remember which one, the right one, not the wrong one. I'm going to use the one on the right. So I have 3/5. Now I want to cancel. The same number has to divide into both a numerator and denominator. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 35, 7. 3 doesn't go into 16. Nothing I could do. So I multiply across. 3 times 7 is 21. 1 times 16 is 16. I have an improper fraction. If I want to change it to mixed, 16 into 21 goes 1 time, and my remainder, which is going to be 5, goes over my denominator. If I start with 16ths, I end up with 16ths. I'll just do a few more. Let's say I have 4 1/8 divided by 2 1/5. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 1. I get 33/8. Change it to a times. I'll do 2 steps in once. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. So it's really 11/5, but because it's division, I'm going to change it to 5/11. I want to cancel. 11 into 11, 1. 11 into 33, 3. Can't do anything. Can't cancel my 5 and my 8. I multiply across. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 into 15. Well, 2 8s are 16. It can't be 2, so it's got to be 1. My remainder goes over my denominator. So it's 1 7/8. And we'll just do one more. This is the one people get wrong all the time. And it's not even a mixed number, but we'll just review this one. Let's say I have 5 divided by 1/5. Any whole number you can put over 1. So I have all numerators, all denominators. Problem is, tons of people will cancel the 5s. You cannot cancel across a division sign. Just another reminder. So my 5 over 1 stays. I change it to a times. In this case, this is the one I flip, the one to the right. Again, I cannot cancel these 5s. When you cancel, it has to be a numerator with a denominator. These are both numerators, so they don't cancel. 5 times 5 is 25. That's it.